It is very windy today, so I'm sorry about the wind, but since this field needs to get ploughed very soon, we need to kill grass in it, so we're spreading this over it. What we've done is we've mixed water and chemicals to kill the grass, and the reason why we need to get rid of it is because when you plough over it and there's too much grass, it will clog the plough and then it will drag lumps of grass and make a mess, so it needs to be gone. And if you want to see us filling up this tank and more behind the scenes on the rest of our videos, then head over to my Instagram, which is Farming the British Way, and it will also be in the description. But I'm going to go in the tractor in a second and show you, so I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. In the tractor there is GPS, which will have the width of the sprayer so it knows where we've been. This is just to make sure we don't overlap or miss bits, because you don't want random strips of grass in the field. I know this back window is dirty, but we don't want chemicals to come back in the tractor, so we have to leave it shut, but normally we would have had it open to film.